Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Cousin C. Full story. A beautiful dark-skinned young woman from Yalish Bay, St. Thomas, let's call her C, was pregnant for a man she was not married to. He had another baby mother before her, and was well known. She was 17 or 18 years old, and pregnant with her first child, so she didn't get to graduate high school. One day, she started getting very sick, and was swollen to the point where she became paralyzed and bedbound. She cried every night, saying she is going to pass away when the Duppy them start on her. Some people reported that she was sick, and the government nurses brought an ambulance and picked her up. She was living with her granny at the time. They took her to a big hospital in Kingston where her real father lived. He visited her one day and realized that her sickness was not normal. He went to a spiritual person and took care of her with bush medicine. She made a full recovery, and they found out that it was the guy's other children's mother and her family who was responsible for she being sick. After everybody found out, they never tried it again. She went back to her granny's house and had her baby. That child is grown now with her own 2 children. She broke up with her child's father, and she had a son for a different man, who is also grown up now. She currently lives a good life. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.